we could say goodbye to Callah's sister, Bela. And what would we say to Callah? Sophie?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. So Cooper, you can get up and say goodbye. William, you have to wait till I call. Oh, the laundry basket's there. Maybe move the chair. What do you guys think? Oh, perfect. No.
Thank you, Cooper.
So, can you put this in the garbage and your napkin in the laundry, William, and then you can go say goodbye. That stick goes in everything goes in the garbage, sweetheart. Both of those. Drop them in. Garbage. That's a garbage one too, sweetheart, okay? And then William, come back and dry your hands off, stickiness off, and put that in the laundry. Thank you, William.
Now we say our thank yous and our happy birthdays. So to Callah's mom, we say thank you.
Listen, you can put that in the garbage and your napkin in the laundry. And sorry, message for everybody. It is a Muddy Buddy Day.
Muddy Buddies, the full year.
Thank you. Boots and jackets. Everybody. So you don't need to say, I'm not going to Sandbox. Because it doesn't matter.